Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L655 driver. So first you have to open any browser in Google search box to type like model number with the driver, and then you can see the first URL epsonco.in, this official website, so you can download driver. Just click on it. Scroll down, driver, extract driver and printer driver, you click to download. Scroll down, I agree. You can see Windows 10, 11, 64-bit, click to download. After that you can see it is start downloading. It will take some time, it depends about your internet speed. It is completed, then just single click to open. After that click on yes for the administrative rights for installations. And then click to OK. OK, I agree, then OK. Now you can see there are two options to install the printer. First, network by, and second, the USB. So if you have to set up the network, so you click to search options, and after the specific IP and subnet, otherwise just IP, you just enter the IP address and then click to OK. Second one USB. So you have to connect printer to your laptop, desktop, printer to your desktop and laptop via USB printer USB cable, and then you just click, it will detect, and next to install after the completed and restart your system. Thank you.